Hey there Charmers, it's Suzanne here, and today I'm going to show you how I create the look that I'm wearing. It's very fall inspired and it's using products from this month's Boxycharm box. For those that are new to the world of Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription and it brings you the best of beauty to your door on a monthly basis. So be sure to continue watching to learn how I create this very fall inspired look. Hey Charmers, so we are going to jump right into today's tutorial. It's going to be a full box look using this month's Boxycharm products. And the best part is that it's going to be fall inspired. So we're gonna go in with the very first product up and it's going to be a concealer. We're gonna go ahead and hide these dark under eyes and we're gonna brighten them right up using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. Mine is in the shade 17. I love this concealer because it's super lightweight, yet it's very full coverage. And I love how easy it is to blend out as well. So let's go ahead and apply this under the eyes. So I'm just gonna apply the concealer right under the eye area, and I'm gonna slightly bring it upwards to lift the eye. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm gonna take this brush and buff that concealer out, blending it completely out so it just leaves us a really nice bright under eye. And I like to take the remaining product and just place that over the lid so that we could also brighten up that area because it's going to really help adhere any eyeshadows over top, and it's gonna kind of give us an eye base as well. So Charmers, this is what the concealer looks like once it has been blended out, and I love how easy this was to blend out and how much coverage I got from just a very little product. So very, very impressive product. I am absolutely loving the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, and the best part is that it has 30 different shades, so there's definitely something in here for everyone. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes using my favorite translucent powder off camera, and then we'll be back to continue with this month's look. Hey Charmers, we are back and the under eyes are set. I absolutely love the way that this concealer turned out. It looks so natural and so beautiful, and the coverage is absolutely perfect. So we're gonna move on to the second item up, and I cannot wait to show it to all of you. It is right over here, and it is by LUXIE, and this is the Wonderlust Set. This is actually a brush set, so let's go ahead and open it up. And it is a set of 5 different brushes, and I love that it is full-sized. And look at how beautiful these are. These are a beautiful periwinkle blue, and I just love the gold detailing. So we're gonna go ahead and use this product in combination with another product today. And I cannot wait to use the brushes with this beautiful palette over here. This is by Bakerie, and this is the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This is so, so beautifully stunning and perfect for fall. So let's go ahead and show you the shades. Now look at how beautiful and neutral this eyeshadow palette is. This is going to be the perfect everyday glam. So let's go ahead and create a look. So I'm just taking the shade Messy Hair and buffing that right into the transition area, making sure that we diffuse this completely because we really just want a beautiful flawless wash of color. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of forehead kisses and place that into the brow bone area of the eye, and just placing that right above the shade Messy Hair, just to make sure that we don't have any harshness and we're really getting a nice blown out fall look. Now I will be taking a little bit of this beautiful deep maroon shade, and it's called Yawning, and I'm gonna place that right into the outer corner of the eye. And for this part I am switching brushes to the 237 blending brush because I'm going to work the shade Yawning right into the outer corner of the eye and deepen that up for a really nice smoky fall look. And to smoke out the outer corner even more, I'm gonna go in with a Boo and a View. And I will be using the same 237 brush for this because it's beautifully tapered and you can get right into the little corner there and buff it out. And it gives you a lot of depth with the shade. Loving the really nice cool tone mauve look that we're getting so far with this really nice buffed out look. So we're gonna go in with the lid shade now. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful purpley shade, and it's called Pajamas, and it's going to be nice and metallic, and we're gonna put that all over the lid. Now for the lid shade, I am switching brushes to the brush 209. This is a large shader brush, and we're just going to pack on the shade Pajamas right onto the lid. Ooh, and I love this very beautiful purple foiled look we're getting. Absolutely stunning. And I'm just pushing this product onto the lid because we really want the most impact. So I'm not dragging it or buffing it out just quite yet. I'm just simply packing on the shade. I'm going to take the shade Yawning and place that into the lower lash line and really buff it out to give us a really beautiful smoky look. And taking the same large shader brush to do this because I really want to diffuse the shade right into the lower lash line. And don't worry, this doesn't need to be perfect because we're really going for a more fall vibe. So it's okay that it's a little on the grungy side, a little bit more on the smoked out side because it adds to the whole look. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this beautiful shade over here, and it's called French Doors. And for this, I'm going to be using the brush 207, which is the angled shading brush. And I'm just brushing it out slightly, just to slightly diffuse that. And that looks so stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then we'll be back to continue with the look. So charmers, I went ahead and completed the rest of my makeup off camera. I absolutely love the way that this eye makeup turned out. That Beauty Bakerie palette is just so beautiful. You get so much pigment from it, and it's perfect for the fall time. So now we're gonna move on with the rest of the products, and there's some really amazing lip products in this month's box. So let's go ahead and choose the next product up. And it is by Ace Beauty. This is the Draw It Lip Liner Duo. I love that we get 2 lip liners for 1 product. And the first shade up is Be Peachy, and the second shade here is called So Gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you both the shades, and I'll swatch them on the back of my hand. So here is the shade Be Peachy, and this beautiful shade over here is called So Gorgeous. But for today's purposes, we are going to use the shade Be Peachy and trace it along my lip line just to give us a really beautiful ombre look. And charmers, I absolutely love the formula of the Ace Beauty lip liner. It's so creamy, it doesn't tug at the lips. You get a beautiful shade with it as well. It's super pigmented and buttery. Absolutely love the way that this turned out. So now we're gonna move on and use the last product in this month's box. And this is by Sol de Janeiro. This is their Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. I have mine in the shade Keep It Rio. I'm so excited to be able to use this because I've heard some amazing things. It's supposed to be very nourishing for the lips and super hydrating with a sheer wash of color. And this is what the shade Keep It Rio looks like. It's this beautiful nude color. Take a look at that. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and it smells so delicious as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this all over the lips. So charmers, this is what it looks like once the lip butter has been blended out with my lip liner, and I love, love, love the formula of this. It's super buttery. You can just feel how nourishing it is on your lips, and I think that's so important going into fall. So I know that all of you guys are going to really, really love this product. So charmers, here is the completed look using this month's box, and I couldn't be happier with the way that it turned out. It's very much fall inspired, and I love the products that I received in this month's box. So charmers, I hope that you guys enjoyed this month's look using the Boxycharm products to create a very fall inspired look. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I cannot wait to see all of you on a future video very, very soon. Bye bye, charmers.